do security of this. I've got no camera holder. So I'm not yet showing you the inside or outside of my vehicle. So I have been measuring up a few things because I've got new desties. So I was in here late last night. So the inside of my bus is, well, it's dirty. It's what it is. It's having it clean in a few days anyway. So cab looks like it needs some TLC. Seat doesn't go up and down, needs some TLC. But all that's my stuff there. Cab door looks a treat. Obviously, moving further back, it's just dirt. That's my front blind, which doesn't fit at the moment. That housing, I can't remember what that was off. We took that off. Can't have been important. The generic of the seats are in good condition. It's just a few, but the ones that aren't, these ones just unclip like that, so we can take them and clean them away from the bus if need be. So it's just general, you know, that's our secret container of magic water. There's just a few little things. There's a bit of damage to the seat there where someone's decided to try and burn it. Draft excluder is missing. It's not missing, it's just broke. But then the money shot, which is what you want to see, which is the outside of the vehicle. Cheers. So she's there. Walk around. It's mostly body damage that's on it. Mainly cosmetic, you see. Just needs a bit of that. That was me. So it's just a bit of, you know, cosmetic damage. Everything else is okay. It just needs the panel straightening out really. Radiator needs looking into because it doesn't do quite the job it's supposed to, but it's a minor detail. Oil compartments in here. So we open that up. Should we go put my gloves on? We got oil in here, obviously. It's been setting. It's on the top of max there. And then got the business end. Enough of that said. Do need to go in there in a minute to turn the inhibitor off. There's just all body damage. Going then. They're the old Legals. So yeah, there we go. Got company because he's staring at me quite considerably. Oh, and it's having new mirrors put on it at some point. But other than that, there you go. So I'm just going to set to work on doing a few things now. Well, remember we do have our side destination blind. It is temporarily held in there, but it is working. It does spin. Just got to put a new. Right, well we've reprogrammed the blinds. We've now got the front one in. It just needs mounting up. It's up there though. The side one is still there. We need to still make a mounting for that. It's still held in there, and the rear one is bolted in now. Again, just needs some new holes drilling in one of the brackets, and then it'll be fully supported in there. So until next time, bye for now. I know this town like the back of my hand. Every back road, every turn road, baby, where you wanna go? Get you there with my eyes closed. Just pick the spot, say the word, baby, what you got? It might be my Chevrolet, but tonight you're calling the shots.